Who wants to live like they're king or queen of the world? Look at this incredible view. Oh my. We are in Savu, and just look at the 300-degree views that we're getting here. That is Salt Lake down there, Natewa Bay. And as we swirl back around, you get to see the southern coast of Vanuatu and the turquoise inner reef and that beautiful outer blue reef. And you have some great islands, Coral Island there, Taveuni Island just there. Find out more about all the amazing listings we have and beautiful views like this. Go to professionalsfiji.com, call us +679 999 2051,